Hello, my name is Fawn, and I will be demonstrating the project that my team, Control-Alt-Spring, the 4 is silent, have been working on for this semester for software development 2. So starting off here is the landing page for Grammark, and as you can see, it's had a bit of a facelift compared to the original website. Pasted here is the test material that our client provided for us that he wanted us to run through the program and see if it would catch the errors that he wanted it to catch. So here it is pasted here, and users will click the submit button, and then they will be taken to this page, which processes the writing that they've submitted and gives a breakdown of any instances of potential errors that the program has caught. So instances of passive voice, wordiness, academic style, grammar, nominalization, sentences, equivalence, and transitions. And so we can click here on passive voice and see that it has passed the criteria, and the instances are listed here of what was caught in terms of passive voice. And then going back, we can click and see, for example, academic style and all of the many potential red flags that it caught in the feedback. So when finding this instance, it will suggest to the user to make a correction if they so choose to do so. And then for the re-highlight function, we can change the writing a little bit and see if it will catch anything else. So taking out some contractions here and there, and clicking re-highlight. And then going through and seeing that those contractions that were listed before as a red flag, as an error, are not presently listed here as far as we can see. And then we can scroll over and see the different instances of errors that were caught, such as wordiness, if anything was caught in grammar or the sentences. As we can see here, it caught a potential fragment, seeing if there are any acorns, and there aren't any, and then checking transition words. And so that is essentially the functionality of the website in terms of grading or checking users' writing that they submit through here. And then once you submit here, you can also clear and start over, and as you can see, nothing is saved here once you've decided to clear and start over. Here is the About page that gives a little bit of a breakdown of what exactly Grammark checks for in its program and suggestions to make the project better, considering it is an open source project. The source code will link to the Git repository. The download page is here to download the various versions of Grammark. Our resource page will show the existing database records for these 4 grammar checks, so wordiness, and it will list all of the flags and suggestions for that flag in this table here. And our contact page, so if users submit something and have a question, they can enter their name, their email, their message, click send, and it will put them in contact with someone that can help them out. And that's about it for the presentation of Grammark. Thank you for listening.